So hey coders, how are you? Once again welcome back to your YouTube channel. So let's check if the user's entered number is even or odd. An even number is an integer that is exactly divisible by 2. So if is not divisible by 2, then it is odd number. So let's take number from the users and using modulo division. I'll check so it is exactly divisible by 2. If it's true, then it's an even number. Otherwise, it's odd number. So coders, remember that this condition if n modulo 2 doubles equals 0 returns true or false value, so it's true then it's an even number, if not then it's odd number. Now I am using modulo division. Let's run the code. Let's check -7 is even or odd.